Welcome to Milford How To. This is how to convert a 7-pin round trailer plug to a 7-pin flat trailer plug. Remove the 2 screws from the round plug cover. Remove the cover. Remove the 2 screws from the retaining clip, then remove the clip. Remove the remaining half of the trailer plug cover. Loosen the retaining screws on all pins, then remove the pin housing. On the new 7-pin flat trailer plug, remove the screw cap and the rubber dust plug and store in a safe place. Remove the flat plug cover, then the 2 screws and retaining clip and store all in a safe place. Loosen the retaining screws on all pins in the flat plug, ensuring the screws are not fully undone. Carefully slide the wires through the screw cap. Carefully slide the wires through the rubber dust plug. This is how the wires will be attached and what they are used for. Number 1 is the left-hand indicator, the yellow wire. Number 2 is the reversing signal, the black wire. This pin is sometimes used as an auxiliary power supply for the trailer, as most trailers do not have a reversing signal. Number 3 is the earth return, the white wire. Number 4 is the right-hand indicator, the green wire. Number 5 is the service brakes, the blue wire. This pin is sometimes used as a signal wire for electronic brake controllers. Number 6 is the brake lights, the red wire. Number 7 is the tail lights, clearance and side markers, the brown wire. Insert the exposed wire ends into the correct pins. Secure the exposed wire ends with the retaining screws. Place the retaining clip in the correct location and secure it in place with the 2 screws. Replace the flat plug cover onto the plug, then feed the rubber dust plug into the open end. Secure the flat plug with the screw cap. You have now finished converting a 7-pin round trailer plug to a 7-pin flat trailer plug.